Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I love electricity. I hope you all are doing good and you are watching my videos and taking a lot of knowledge out of it. I would like to also thank you for those who are liking, commenting, and sharing my videos in your community and creating an impact in the society. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the new videos I am uploading. Today's topic is very interesting and not only interesting, but it's very important to implement in our day-to-day life, because by doing this we can save a lot of money and we can also save our planet, which is very important, right? As you can see right now, there are a lot of pollutions going on around, and there are global warming and a lot of challenges and pressing issues we have nowadays because of uh, the carbon footprints and other aspects which we are not able to control the way it should be, right? And that's why a small step can change your world, can change your life, can change the life of the upcoming generation. So today's topic is about energy efficiency, saving money and saving the planet. Okay, now in this session we are going to discuss about what exactly is energy efficiency, why it is important for us to consider this topic and act on this topic wisely, what are the benefits of it, and if we don't do, what detrimental effects it can have in the future, right? So let's start without wasting our time. Let's learn what is energy efficiency. Okay, so energy efficiency refers to using less energy to perform the same task or produce the same outcome. So whenever we talk about the energy efficiency, it's a ratio of output divided by input, right? When we talk about energy efficiency, it tells us about the performance of the system in terms of the outcome we are able to produce with the amount of energy we are uh, giving to the system to generate that desired outcome, right? And if we are able to give the less energy to perform the same task or produce the same outcome, we mean that we are achieving the energy efficiency in a better way. On another way, it can be optimizing your input to the maximum level to produce the same amount of desired outcome, right? It involves utilizing the technology and practices that reduce the energy consumption while maintaining or improving the quality of life. Okay, so it talks about two things through which we can achieve it. One is utilizing the better technology and the good practices, which we will be talking about in this video right now, that can reduce the energy consumption while maintaining or improving the quality of life. Okay, so I hope now you are clear what is energy efficiency and what exactly does it means, right? Now let's understand why is energy efficiency so important for us. Okay, and to explain you in a better way, you can see on the screen we have an example of a light bulb. Okay, every one of you must be using the light in your house, or you must have used the light bulb in the past, now maybe CFL or LED lights, but yes, every one of you must have seen the light bulb, right? Now when the light bulb is illuminated, it consumes the electrical energy. Okay, without that the light will not be emitted from the bulb, so it requires the electrical energy. So let's say uh, the amount of energy, electrical energy required to light the bulb is what is our input, right? And what is the output? uh, as an outcome, it gives you the light. Okay, but it doesn't only gives you the light. Along with that, it generates some thermal energy, okay, which is also being converted from the electrical energy you are consuming. So the electrical energy which is consumed by the bulb will get transferred into two things. Number one is the light which we see, which is the desired output. Second thing is the thermal, the heat which it transmits. Okay, so if you have ever seen, that's why we say don't touch the bulb. Why? Because it is very hot, and that's what the thermal energy it produces. But that energy is not a desired energy, and that's why we call that thermal energy as a wasted energy. Okay, so can you spot that wasted energy? Yes, it is in the form of a thermal energy which is being transformed from the electrical energy. Okay, let's take another example of electrical drill. Now whenever you run an electrical drill, it again consumes an electrical energy which is getting converted into three things. Number one is the kinetic energy, which is a useful energy. Okay, number two, it again creates some kind of heat, which is a wasted energy, and number three, it also creates some sound, which is also wasted energy for us. So um, the the input or the uh, electrical energy which is being consumed by any appliance gives you two things: a useful energy and the wasted energy. Okay, that's why energy efficiency is very important. Okay, if let's say your wasted energy is increasing, then your useful energy, or let's say the proportion of the wasted energy is increasing more and more in your entire outcome, then what will happen? It will affect the performance of the appliance. Number one. Number two, there will be a wasted energy. So you are paying the bill for the electrical energy, but you are not getting the desired outcome, right? So now you are aware that what is useful energy and what is wasted energy. Let's take another example that how the energy is transformed to the surrounding. Okay, so energy can be transformed to surrounding uh, through by a wasted energy. Okay, how? So it escapes as light, it can escape as heat, or it can escape as sound. Okay, it can escape as a light, and the example for it is a heating element. Okay, it can escape as a heat such as light bulb or engine, and it can escape as a sound such as electrical drill or hair dryer. All of the appliances are day-to-day appliances, we are using it, and you must have also experienced all this wasted energy. Okay, but we have never ever focused on controlling that wasted energy. But after this session, we will consciously think and work on how to improve the energy efficiency. Okay, so the other thing can be the systems, so such as the appliances, the vehicles, and the machines. What does it provide? It provides the useful output energy which is less than the input energy. Okay, why? Because due to the energy transfer to the surrounding. Okay, so let's say you are using an appliance or a vehicle or a machine. Those are the systems which provide you the useful output energy, but that useful output energy is less compared to the input energy. We have already seen that electrical energy consumed by the bulb is more than the outcome, as outcome is the addition of your useful energy plus wasted energy. Okay, and wasted energy can escape by three means. It can be by light, by heat, and the sound. Okay, now let's understand the energy pyramid. Before jumping into even understanding and controlling the energy efficiency, there are three things which we also need to know. So how we can control it? So there is an energy conservation at the baseline of a pyramid, which is again very important for us to know. So it is a good practices: turn off the lights, fans, other major electrical loads when not in use. This all comes under energy conservation, right? Second thing, energy efficiency, that is replacing the things, changing the existing electrical load with energy efficient appliances such as smart LED lights. And third thing is renewable energy, using green energy, solar, wind, biomass, and other good sources, natural sources of energy. Okay, so there are three ways to improve the energy efficiency, which is pretty clear from this pyramid. Now, how to improve energy efficiency at home? So, you can focus on the lightings what you are using. Replace all your CFLs with LEDs. Okay, use LED light bulbs instead of incandescent bulbs. That yellow colored conventional bulbs which you are using, if you are still using it, and even if you are using CFL, please switch on to LED lights, because this will give you a substantial benefit in terms of your energy consumption. Turn off lights when not in use. Okay, by this you can see a drastic change in your energy consumption units which you are using every month. Okay, so if you regularly practice this uh, and consciously perform this task, that whenever nobody is using the electrical energy, nobody is using the appliances, kindly turn off, put it off, and then only leave the space before going out. Heating and cooling. Install a programmable thermostat. Seal leaks around windows and doors for the better performance of your air conditions. Use energy efficient appliances, as we already discussed. Third thing is water heating. Lower the thermostat on your water heater. Okay. Use cold water for laundry whenever possible. Right. So these are some of the things you can uh, implement and improve the energy efficiency at home. Energy efficiency appliances. So look for Energy Star labels. Okay, don't go for the mediocre products which are not qualified by the designated authorities, which are not qualified or not meeting the industry standards. Okay, the cheap products that you can avoid. So these products meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the EPA. Refrigerators, keep them full but not overloaded for optimal efficiency. Ensure proper sealing and clean the coils regularly. Washing machines and dishwashers, exactly opposite of that, use at full loads to maximize efficiency, because anyway it's going to consume the same amount of energy whether you run it at a half load or full load. Choose front loading washers for better performance and efficiency. Let's also talk about renewable energy sources. So you might be knowing most of them. We already studied in the school and colleges, but just a refresher kind of thing. The renewable energy could be hydroelectric power. It could be from the wave energy, from the tidal energy, solar energy, which is very common nowadays and a booming industry. Biomass energy, geothermal energy, and wind energy, just to name it. Now, this is a wonderful diagram I want to present you, that how in a house you can build a daily habit for energy efficiency, and what are the things, what are the appliances, what are the steps you can take to improve in each and every area in your house, right? So it can be starting from the energies, using energy saving appliances or sustainable materials or energy efficient, and go for the natural lighting as far as possible. Don't try to cover everything and put on the lights and fans and just to illuminate your house. Design your house so that you get the maximum natural light and you don't need the artificial lighting inside your house. High performance windows and doors is very important and directly linked to your HVAC system. Okay, air filtration and ventilation, again a very important topic from hygiene point of view and also from the energy conservation. Solar panels, as I said, nowadays people are preferring to switch on to solar panels, because for a sustainable thing we should always use the natural source of energy, and solar energy is quite easily available to us most of the time, I would say, and in most of the part of the world. Okay, roof and wall insulation, ventilation and HVAC system, the thing which is consuming the maximum energy in your home or maximum number of units in your home, and you can increase the efficiency of these appliances by using the star label products and by ensuring the leaks from the windows and the doors in your house. Okay, other appliances could be heat pump, water heater, etc. Simple daily habits for energy efficiency. Turn off and unplug. Turn off appliances and lights when not in use, and unplug chargers and electronics to avoid phantom energy loss. Use natural light. Open curtains and blinds to use daylight instead of electric lighting. And third thing is efficient cooking. Use microwave or toaster ovens for smaller meals. Match pot size to burner size to avoid any energy waste. Benefits of energy efficiency. So there are three major benefits which we will be getting if you daily practice the steps I have demonstrated. So it is environmental benefit could be it reduces the greenhouse gas emissions, decreases pollution and conserves the natural resources. What could be the economic benefits? Lower energy bills for households and businesses, reduces the need for energy import and improves energy security. What could be the societal benefits? Enhances quality of life through better air quality and health, and it creates job and energy efficient industries. So, what is the conclusion out of this entire session? Energy efficiency is a simple and effective way to save money, protect the environment, and enhance the quality of our life. Start making small changes today and see the significant long term benefits of um, the small steps which you have taken. Right? Let's work together to create a more sustainable and energy efficient future. So that's all about the energy efficiency. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to write in the comment, and I would love to answer as soon as possible. And if you are again new to this channel, kindly subscribe it, press the bell icon so that you get the timely notifications of the new content I'll be bringing very soon. Was this video useful to you? If yes, please don't forget to share with your friends, with your family, and your connection, and bring the awareness. Be a part of this movement. I love electricity. Let's preserve it and let's make it a better, efficient world where our upcoming generation would be proud of us. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the future contents. Bye bye. This is Nirav Modha signing off.